Winds may rise, but I will stand, carved in the rock by your mighty hand. Winds may howl, the waves may crash, but I'm safe inside your grasp. You hold me close, you lead me on through the night into the dawn. I am unshaken, I am set free. Your grace is stronger than the storm in me. Fear has no power, doubt fades